In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify theme without losing any content. Changing your Shopify theme can feel like a daunting task, especially if you've meticulously set up your online store just the way you like it. But fear not. With some careful preparation and understanding, you can switch things up smoothly and efficiently without saying goodbye to the hard work you've put into your site content. First things first, before diving into the new theme changes, it's crucial to back up your store. Always start by exporting your current theme settings and data. You can do this by navigating to your Shopify admin and selecting Online Store, then Themes. From there, find your current theme and click on Actions. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Download Theme File. This essentially creates a backup of your current theme in its entirety, ensuring that you've saved all your existing settings and content safely. By having a backup, you have a safety net in case anything doesn't go as planned. Next, explore the theme store to find a theme that aligns with your brand and functionalities needed for your store. Whether you're looking for a free theme or exploring premium options, browsing the theme store is an excellent starting point in finding the right fit. When you've decided on a new theme, hover over the theme and select Try Theme or Purchase, depending on whether it's a free or paid option. This action will add the new theme to your theme library in your Shopify admin. With the new theme added, it's time to preview and customize it to ensure it reflects your brand aesthetics and functionality needs. Within your Shopify admin under Online Store, you'll see a section called Theme Library. Here, locate the new theme and click on Actions followed by Preview to have a look at how it will appear on your store. Take this opportunity to fine-tune the settings and layout. Customize the colors, fonts, and images to make sure everything aligns closely with your overall branding and design preferences. Once satisfied with your adjustments, it's time to publish the new theme as your live store. Return to your theme library, and next to the theme you're interested in applying, select Actions and then Publish. Before you hit that Publish button, perhaps consider opening a second tab to compare your old and new theme side by side just to double-check everything is in place. Finally, it's all about the final checks. After your new theme is live, take a thorough walkthrough of your entire website to ensure all functionalities are working smoothly, such as the navigation links, checkout path, and any added apps or widgets. Remember, the goal is to maintain consistency in your store's performance, look, and feel, so take some time to make any necessary tweaks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can change your Shopify theme without losing any of your painstakingly crafted content. Whether refreshing your store with a sleek modern look or optimizing functionalities, navigating theme changes doesn't have to be stressful. Wishing you the best with your Shopify journeys.